To continue with our week 4 evaluation of Canvas, we'll be going over how to modify quizzes with differentiated release settings. In order to go over these settings, we'll go to our week 3 quiz that we created in last week's evaluation, and we'll go ahead and edit this. What we want to do is scroll down, and the only bit that we can see that we were able to change from our general population to our students with accommodations is the due date. So we'll go ahead and do that. This is very similar to our Dropbox settings, where we'll just click the Add button, and we can select the students we want to assign this to. So I'll assign this to demo student, even though there is not a demo student, but I'd say that's who I'd assign it to. And the due date, maybe the normal due date is for the 10th. For other students, we'll set this to the 17th, and this will be available from today until that Friday. Whereas up for everybody else, the due date is on the 10th, available today, and due on the 10th. So as we can see, just like in our Dropbox, we've changed these settings where for everybody in our class, it's due on April 10th, but for our students with extended time accommodations, the quiz will be due on the 17th. Now, one of the drawbacks of Canvas is that you're not really able to change how long students will have to complete a quiz between students in your general population and students that have accommodations. For example, in D2L, I can set it for, students in my general population can have 2 hours to complete a quiz, but students that get extended time might have 3 hours. In Canvases, it's not appear that you have the option to do that. So what you might want to do is just change, set the amount of time that students have to complete a quiz to the maximum amount of time you want to give students with extended time accommodations. So in this case, if I say my general population could probably get this done in 2 hours, but I think my students that need extended time will need 3 hours, I might just want to give that 180 minutes to all of my students. That way that my students with accommodations will have the amount of time that they need to get this done.